Today, we're making a quick and easy Japanese curry dinner. This recipe can be made in 20 minutes and is easy to prep and make. Let's get cooking. Cut 2 onions, slice 8 sticks of celery, chop 6 carrots into wedges, and cut 6 russet potatoes into wedges. In our Instant Pot set to saute, we'll heat up some oil and then our stew beef. Once it's been browned, we'll add an onion, then our veggies. Add about 2 packs or 216 grams of curry blocks, along with 4 to 5 cups of water. We're using S&B curry today, which is my favorite. Pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. Once done, we can add some frozen corn and mix. Portion some rice and enjoy. This is a great, quick and easy meal for weekdays where you're tired and just want a nice hot meal. Any leftovers are also great for lunch and dinner. This also goes well with udon, which we'll show in a future video. Let me know how it goes in the comments below and what foods you want to see next.